In the vast tapestry of masculinity, where archetypes collide and identities intertwine, one enigmatic figure stands apart, shrouded in mystery and self-assurance, the Sigma male. A lone wolf prowling the boundaries of convention, he defies classification, charting his path with unmatched independence and resilience. Even the most resilient Sigma, however, becomes entangled in the delicate dance of love and companionship within the maze of human connection. It is a place where independence meets affection, confidence meets vulnerability, and rules are as inflexible as the emotions that swirl within. It is a scary and thrilling place. Today we embark on a journey into the heart of the Sigma mentality, unraveling the complexities of his existence with a keen eye for adventure and self-awareness. As we explore the landscape of love and autonomy, we'll uncover 7 principles that shed light on the path to healthy and balanced relationships, guiding the Sigma male through the complex web of human connection without sacrificing the essence of his mysterious spirit. 1. Sacrificing personal freedom. In the realm of the Sigma male, personal freedom isn't just a luxury, it's a way of life. Picture this. The Sigma, akin to a lone wolf, roams the wilderness of existence, guided solely by the North Star of his own desires. Each decision, each step, is a testament to his autonomy, his control over his own destiny. But when love calls, some fear that freedom may be traded for chains. Yet, for the experienced Sigma, it's not a binary choice. It's a delicate dance between independence and partnership. Imagine a majestic bird soaring through the blue vastness of the sky. Its flight, graceful and unhindered, is a metaphor for the Sigma's freedom. In a healthy relationship, this bird finds a companion, another winged marvel that flies beside it, not to cage it, but to enhance its flight. In partnerships that honor Sigma's essence, freedom isn't sacrificed, it's celebrated. Like 2 brilliant stars that blend into one enormous celestial melody, each partner maintains their independence and uniqueness. They embark on journeys together, not as captors and captives, but as fellow explorers, each enriching the other's experience without stifling their spirit. 2. Neglecting personal growth. Neglecting personal growth for the sake of a relationship is akin to dimming the light of your own potential. Every goal you pursue and every skill you master adds to the fabric of who you are. A Sigma male should never sacrifice this journey of self-discovery at the altar of companionship. Instead, seek partners who act as sparks for growth, igniting the fire within to reach new heights. Inaction is the enemy of a dynamic love dance. A man who neglects his personal growth for a woman risks losing not only himself, but also the essence of what drew them together. True partnership thrives on mutual inspiration and shared dreams, where each encourages the other to grow. Together, embark on a journey of continuous evolution, scaling the peaks of personal excellence hand in hand. Remember, a relationship should complement and not interfere with personal growth. 3. Suppressing emotions. In the enigmatic world of Sigma males, emotions often play hide-and-seek behind a stoic facade. Yet beneath the surface lies a chaotic sea of feelings longing to be recognized. Suppressing these emotions, whether out of societal expectation or fear of vulnerability, is similar to caging a wild beast. It only leads to inner turmoil and estrangement from oneself. Embracing vulnerability is the key to unlocking the full range of human experience. It's a daring plunge into the depths of authenticity, where the raw essence of one's being thrives. Sigma males, often revered for their resilience and self-assurance, must recognize that vulnerability is not a weakness, but a profound strength, a testament to their courage to confront the complexities of their inner world. Seeking partners who appreciate this depth is essential. These are individuals who understand that emotions are not a sign of weakness, but a testament to the richness of human existence. 4. Diminishing ambitions. Diminishing ambitions for the sake of a relationship is comparable to extinguishing the fire that drives the Sigma male's spirit. True greatness lies in the pursuit of one's dreams, unyielding in the face of adversity. A man's ambitions are the stars guiding his journey, indicating the path to his ultimate destiny. In the realm of relationships, finding a partner who not only respects but actively supports these ambitions is crucial. Imagine a dynamic duo, united by a shared vision, each serving as the other's steadfast champion. Together they become a formidable force, igniting the flames of inspiration and propelling each other toward unparalleled greatness. However, it's crucial to emphasize that a man should never compromise his ambitions solely for the sake of a relationship. Instead, he should harness his ambitions as the driving force behind his actions, fueling his determination and resilience. By prioritizing his goals, he not only fulfills his own potential, but also enriches the relationship with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. 5. Abandoning boundaries. In the intricate dance of relationships, boundaries are the invisible threads that weave the fabric of self-respect and dignity. They indicate where one person ends and another begins, safeguarding the value of individuality. Surrendering these boundaries in the name of love is akin to dismantling the fortress of selfhood, leaving one vulnerable to erosion. To protect himself, a man should never give in to a woman's advances. This is not a sign of disobedience. Firm boundaries serve as guardians of mental, emotional, and physical well-being, shielding against the relentless tides of compromise and capitulation. They are the lighthouses that guide the ship of self through treacherous waters, ensuring safe passage amidst the tempests of passion and desire. Seeking partners who respect and honor these boundaries is crucial. 6. Compromising core values. Compromising core values for the sake of a relationship is similar to building a castle on shifting sands. The Sigma male, rooted in unwavering honesty, understands that his principles are non-negotiable pillars of his identity. Whether it's honesty, loyalty, or justice, these values shape every facet of his existence. In the wave of emotions and desires, it's easy to lose sight of these guiding stars. Yet sacrificing core values for temporary harmony is a betrayal of oneself. Such compromises erode the very foundation upon which meaningful connections are built. A Sigma male recognizes that a partner who demands such compromise is not aligned with his true essence. Instead, he seeks companionship with those who share his values, forging a bond based on mutual respect and authenticity. 7. Neglecting self-care. Self-care is the Sigma male's sanctuary in life's relentless march, a stronghold of renewal amid chaos. Yet in the chaos of love's embrace, it's easy to forsake this sanctuary, sacrificing personal well-being at the cost of relationship demands. Self-care isn't a luxury, it's a lifeline. Neglecting it for the desires of a partner is similar to pouring from an empty cup, draining the very essence that fuels your energy. The Sigma male must prioritize his own well-being, indulging in activities that refuel his spirit, whether it's a solitary hike in the mountains or a quiet evening lost in the pages of a favorite book. In a world where expectations weigh heavy and obligations pull at every corner, self-care isn't selfish, it's survival. Men especially must pay attention to this call, for neglecting self-care not only dims the flame of their own vitality, but also casts shadows over the relationships they hold dear. A burnt-out man is ill-equipped to nourish the fires of love, his spirit dulled by the weight of unmet needs and unspoken desires. Cultivate relationships that honor and support your need for self-care, where partners recognize the importance of nurturing your body, mind, and soul. In this mutual dance of love, both partners flourish, and their spirits alight with the glow of mutual respect and understanding. In the intricate dance of life, the Sigma male emerges as a representation of strength and independence. His journey, which includes fostering self-care and defending personal freedom, is proof of his unwavering dedication to authenticity and great health. As the curtains draw on each narrative, remember, in the symphony of relationships, The Sigma male's melody resonates with the harmonious blend of self-love and mutual respect, creating a masterpiece where individuality thrives and love knows no bounds. Don't forget to like and subscribe until next time.